Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As part of LeetCode 75 playlist, today we are looking into LeetCode problem 1679, max number of k sum pairs. So here we are given an integer array and we need to find how many number of uh, operate how many number of combinations we have with with the sum of k. So here the sum means we just need to pick two numbers out of this particular integer array, and the sum should be equals to k, and that can be considered as how many number of operations we have. That is the result we need to return. So example one is great example here. Here this problem I am going to solve the problem in two solutions. First I will use two pointer, and there I will I will show you what it is lacking, and we will try to go into the best solution. Okay, first we are going to solve it in by using two pointer, as it is part of two pointers problem. Okay, let's try to jump into the 2.1. To solve 2.1, we need to use array.sort, and we need to sort the numbers. The reason why, like, we will get to know while we are solving the problem. And as it is two pointer, first I'm taking left, and another point is right, and the result is nothing but store the how many operations we can have. Okay, at the end of the loop we will return result. And inside loop, so what is our condition is, this is our main condition. And if here we are checking one thing, uh, if sum of both left and right is equals to k, then I'm going to increase the result and move left towards right and right towards left. If else if sum is lesser than k, in that condition I will just try to move left and keep the right the same. In the last condition, if sum is greater than k, then I will move right towards left. This is a very classic example. Here we are just sorting the array. We are making this array is sorted, and then we are making this problem very easy. Let's give it a try. Let's directly submit the solution. Yeah, here you can see it is better solution, but still it is not very efficient. Here you can see it is taking 3:1 ms and it's only 8.93. It is not very good efficient, right? So what is our solution here? So here we are going to follow another method where we are using dictionary. So what is our dictionary? Our dictionary is going to hold two values. Okay, first I will try to explain here. So two values here. um, let's say I'm taking our initial example, 2 comma 3 comma 4, and k is equals to 5. So what I'm going to store, if in key, in our dictionary, in key we have 1 and value is 4, then I can consider this as one possible operation, right? One possible operation. That means if we have key, then we should have values 4, which is nothing but k minus key. And here 4 is equals to k minus key, right? So this is our logic. So what I'm going to do, first I will check if we have 1, and I will check if dictionary is having any keys with 4, any keys with 4. Then I will just increase this value to from 0 to 1. So I'm just rephrasing it again. In our dictionary, what we are going to store is, we are going to store key and number of times it's available. Okay. So let's say 1 is available one time, 2 is also available 2 is also available two times, sorry, one time, and 3 is also available one time, and 4 is available one time. We are not going to update our dictionary at the first time. These three, like while we are checking our dictionary is, let's say our dictionary is empty now. Our dictionary is empty now, and we are checking. We are looking through this array, and we are checking if key one is available or not. If it is not available, we will add it to dictionary. Okay. And one more thing we will check is not only key we are going to check. We are going to check value if four is available or not. If not, then we are going to add that one as well. But while adding it, we will check if key is also available in the dictionary or not. If it is available, then we will increase our operations. Our operations. I will increase just simply our operations. That means result. We will do the same kind of operation. If if we found any new thing in dictionary, we will try to add it. But if it is already there, if it is already there, and the number of appearances is greater than 0, then we will try to check if k minus key is also available in the dictionary or not. So in words it may be very confusing, so let's try to jump into the solution. It's very easy, and it's very important, as it is very efficient when comparing with the previous method. I'm taking a dictionary. Okay, and as I told before, we will just simply look through a for each loop, and what we are going to check. So first I'm going to check k minus the particular number, that means the remaining. Here I'm taking that name as remaining, and first I will find out what is remaining, and I will check if dictionary contains key of remaining, and dictionary of remaining is greater than 0. Then I will increase result, and one more thing I will do is I will decrease in remaining. Why we are doing it is to resolve the duplicate issue. So here in the second example, we are having duplicates 3 again 3 again 3, right? So to solve this one, we are adding this line. If else, then we are checking if dictionary contains key of. Here we are not checking remaining, we are checking num. If it is not available, I am going to add num to this particular dictionary, and set the count as 1. If num is already available in dictionary, if the particular, okay, whatever the index value, what index value in that particular one, if it is available, then I am going to increase num by 1. That means the dictionary key value to increase 1. Okay, so that's it. That is a very simple solution, and at the end of the loop we will just return. Here I forgot to take result. I just want to initialize it with 0. Running it is going to be very efficient. Okay, key not found exception. So what is the issue here, where we are getting this error? Given key is not available. Sorry, here if it is not available, right? So that is the condition. That's why we are hitting this else condition. Okay, that's it. A small correction, and let's submit it. Yes, here you can see it is very efficient. It's based 91%, and it is taking 273. Previously we got 361. It is very efficient. It is very efficient when compared with the previous solution. But if interviewer, if anybody, like if interviewer want us to solve the problem in two pointer, we can use that method. And if we want to modify it, if we want to make it more efficient, then we can follow this method. So that is about this problem for today, and I will come back with the new problem tomorrow. Thanks everyone. Bye.